Scano, Sago, good day, Six Nations, and happy Monday. Today is Monday, April 27th, 2020. I hope this message finds you at home, healthy and safe with your families. Lori Davis Hill here, Director of Six Nations Health Services, and this is today's Six Nations COVID-19 response update. I want to acknowledge everyone who has identified symptoms and called in to the assessment center. The more testing we do, the better we understand the impact of this virus on our community. I'll start with today's most recent numbers. As of this morning, we have had 11 positive cases reported at Six Nations. 8 of those cases have resolved with 1 death. We currently have 2 active cases. On Friday, we completed 29 tests at the drive-through assessment center. To date, we have completed 314 tests and have received 268 negative results. We currently have 154 people in self-isolation as directed by Oswego Public Health. We want to acknowledge those who have joined in preventing the spread of this virus. Sorry. So I want to begin by sharing community stats again. New Credit has 1 positive case reported. Alderman Norfolk Public Health Unit has 183 positive cases and 1,047 negative cases. 36 of those cases have resolved and 33 have ended in death. The Brant Public Health Unit has 87 positive cases, 58 resolved cases, and 3 deaths. The Hamilton Public Health Unit reports 401 cases, 201 of those are resolved, and 17 deaths. The Toronto Public Health Unit reports 4,798 positive cases, 364 are resolved, and 274 deaths. We are asking everyone to remain on guard to keep this virus out of our communities and out of our homes by monitoring ourselves and our loved ones for the following symptoms of COVID-19. They include new or worse cough, fever, sore throat, runny nose, shortness of breath, nasal congestion, difficulty swallowing, or a hoarse voice. It can take anywhere from 1 to 14 days before any person starts showing symptoms. And before a person starts showing symptoms, they are contagious. This is why we do contact tracing to see who has been exposed to someone who starts to show symptoms. If you are experiencing one of these symptoms or any other new or unusual symptom, it is important that you call the Six Nations COVID-19 Assessment Center at 226-446-9909 or toll free at 1-855-977-7737. You can call at any time, and a nurse will carry out an assessment with you over the phone. You will then be referred to a physician who will order a test if required, and a nurse will provide you with instructions to take part in the drive-through test appointment, where you don't even have to get out of your car. If you are unable to drive to the test site, we can make other arrangements. Check out Six Nations COVID-19 updates on Facebook to view a video of what the testing process looks like. With the new positive confirmed cases within our community, let this be a reminder to remain cautious, on guard, and to continue to stay at home and washing your hands. Before I share today's wellness tip, I would like to remind the community that the parks and recreation facilities are closed until further notice during the COVID-19 emergency. This includes all of those located at 1738 4th Line, plus at various school playgrounds. For today's wellness tip, I want to speak to those working from home, sharing 5 useful tips that will make working from home more effective. Number 1, use visual cues to designate your workspace. This will help your kids build the association that when you're sitting there, you're working and should not be disturbed. Number 2, help your kids create a routine and add structure to their day. Working with your kids to create daily or weekly schedules will help them have the opportunity to choose some of their own activities and help them be more independent. Number 3, communicate with your manager and coworkers if you think there will be distractions or interruptions to your calls or even your workday. Let your team know we are here for you and are willing to help. Number 4, set realistic expectations of what you can accomplish with your team and managers. Figure out your working hours, when you'll be most available, and how much you can get done. Number 5, reach out for help or resources. These are extraordinary times, and we must all come together virtually to help each other out. Be sure to check out our Six Nations social media pages for more COVID-19 information, health and wellness strategies at sixnationscovid19.ca or on Facebook with Healthy Six Na and Six Nations Matters. Before closing off today, I want to remind everyone that during this COVID-19 pandemic, It is recommended to keep cleaning your keys and cell phones on a regular basis and use hand sanitizer, especially while out for essential purposes. Just one more tip to reduce the spread into our homes and into our community. Thank you for welcoming me into your homes today. Please be sure to tune in tomorrow as I continue to share these important updates. Please check in on family, friends, and the elders of the community. Stay home to protect the health and lives of everybody we love. We say to our Six Nations healthcare emergency service professionals, other frontline workers, and the workers at the checkpoints, Sajago, keep going, do your best. Please stay home for them. Please stay home for all of us. Stay well and stay safe. Nyawa.